Welcome, my name is Rajan and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is the basics of painting, 101, Part 1. Let's get started.
Interior Painting 101. Before we break out the primer, we have to mask and prep the walls. We've done a significant amount of sanding, so at this point we have a damp rag, and we're going to walk around and wipe down the baseboards, door jambs, and counters, wherever we're going to be taping up to the walls or ceilings. It's very important to have a dry and dust-free surface to mask our woodwork off with. So at this point we have ourselves a masking machine. So it takes life.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below. It helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.